don't you stay calm for once, instead of flying off the handle? I hope you're happy. I hope you're happy now. I hope you're happy how you're hurt. I hope you're happy. I hope you're happy too. I hope you're proud how you would follow tradition to be on a mission. So though I can't imagine how, I hope you're happy right now. Alfie, listen to me. Just say you're sorry. You can still be with the wizard, what you worked and waited for. You can have all you ever wanted. I know, but I don't want it. No, I can't want it anymore. Something has changed within me. Something is not the same. I'm through with playing by the rules of someone else's game. Too late for second guessing. Too late to go back to sleep. It's time to trust my instinct. Close my eyes and leave. I will try defying gravity to see goodbye on defying gravity. And you can pull me down. Can't I make you understand? You're having delusions of grandeur. You're accepting limits, 'cause no one said no to. Some things I cannot change, but then I try I'll never know. Too long I've been afraid of losing love. I can't stop losing. Well, if that's love, becomes that much too high a cost. I surrender, defying gravity. Kiss me goodbye, I'm defying gravity, and you can pull me down. Glinda, come with me. Think of what we can do together.